Mending tabir khwai puno pu image TV na taramna okshabaga loina Brajesh Kumar na khrum mathoi rak suba palan thoram 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles ki parade ground pangthok pada Chief Minister su saru yarduna phongdokhibani ngasigi thoram da papung oina pangthokhiba singdi Nissan Toli amadi contingent tarataruki march past ni aduga ngasigi parade commander na Rahul Gupta IPS na oiki Thorongi Manungsa Chief Minister na DGP running trophy for the base Battalion 2022 2nd Battalion Manipur Rifles the Kusinaki 2nd base Battalion 2022 na 9th Indian Reserve Mahila Battalion da Amadi 3rd base Battalion na 6th Battalion Manipur Rifles the Kusinaki DGP Manipur running trophy for the base police station 2022 gi Ahanba Manana Bishnupur police station da Ani Subana Ukul district ki Litan police station da amadi Ahum Subana Imphal West district ki Lamphel police station da Kusinaki Chief Minister na DGP commendation role and dispo sahi sige oina tongan ba unit sing da piki masida natana Board of Secondary Education Manipur Loba High School Living Certificate Examination 2022 da mako oirakraba Rahul Laisram Busu Puning Tagatuna Ikai Kumnaba Utki Nasigi Thoramda State Asigi Cabinet Minister Singh MP MLA Chief Secretary Director General of Police Civil Amadi Police Ki Makok Thongba Official Singh Su Sarukyaki Thoramduda Chief Minister N Birena Phondo Kibada Manipur Police Ki Personnel Singh Sagol Tonghanduna Kaitel Akoibada Duty to Honba Horgani Masi Poni Yokatnabagi Saru Ama Oigani Highway protection ki matang na paladuna highway protection ki damak high technology ki khudong saba yauraba gari kuntaret thambang amle Manipur
to bi or have the operation yauna nasidi lebi ba Manipur police personnel punamak na yam thamoi se hona ba Manipur drug trafficking handara
Nasi Kakching Lamdong da leba Jiban Hospital Complex da leba Yangkhom Netramani College of Nursing YN College of Nursing Kakching gi ani suba batch ki BSc Nursing tamliba mahiroi sing gi lamp lighting amasung oath taking gi thoram ngasi Jiban Hospital Kakching gi mipun sangda pangthokre lamp lighting amasung oath taking gi thoram aduda Dr. Yangkhom Ashok Kumar Managing Director Yangkhom Netramani College of Nursing na athayo mitung Dr. N. Jiban Lata Medical Superintendent Jiban Hospital Kakching na akhanaba mitung amadi Professor Maibam Kumudini Principal Yangkhom Netramani College of Nursing Kakching na thoram mapu oina saruk yakhiba lamp lighting amasung oath taking thoram aduda college asige faculty members sing amasung Jiban Hospital Kakching gi doctor amasung nursing su saruk yakhi Athoy mitung oikba Dr. Yangkhom Ashok Kumar na thoramga mari leinana hai malai masida khwaidigi maru oiriba mioi babu thogol toriba ana layangi sinpham asida aikoina khong